Chinese Communist government, since they took power in 1949, they not only ruined the culture of traditional Chinese people, but they also ruined the humanity, the spirit of human being in this country. The Chinese Communist regime, they have ruined all aspects of the good deeds, decency, humanity of the humanity in the country. Right now, the Chinese Communist regime, they have detained more than 3 million Uyghurs in Nazi-style concentration camp. The reports coming that so much people are dying in those camps. More than 2 years, I didn't see. I am not able to contact with my family members. And there are a lot of Uyghur people around the world, more than 2 years, they are not able to contact their family members. I'm standing here, I call the Chinese Communist government to stop their genocide, ethnic cleansing. Stop their all kinds of crimes against humanity. To stand with humanity. They still have time to stop the genocide. Right now, we can say that Chinese Communist government is the enemy of all human beings. Yeah. Not only of Chinese people, right. Not only of Uyghur people, not only of Tibetan people. They are the enemy of the whole human being. Yeah. One day, if we not stand with Uyghurs today, one day Chinese Communist regime will destroy the humanity, the culture of Chinese people. They will destroy the Christianity. They will destroy the Islam. Yeah. They will destroy the Judaism. Yeah. They will destroy the United States. Right. So I call all of the human beings, all of the people around the world to stand up, raise the voice for the Uyghur people. For all of the people are being oppressed by the Chinese Communist government. Right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.